Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to open Street View on Google Maps. So you're gonna click the double layer at the top right here under the restaurants, and you're gonna see the basically Street View by clicking the Street View, right? And you're gonna cancel, and you're gonna see right here the Street View and all that. And basically, if you wanted to select a place or whatever, you could just go ahead and select a place right here. And let me select, let's say, this place, right, or that place, and you're gonna see a street view, right, of that place, and you can just go ahead and start seeing that place, and you can move forward to see it, or you can just go backward, right, if you don't want to, if you want to go back. So right here, let's say for example I want to click this one, same old, right, because go to the left to see what's around you, right, and you can move forward and backward. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.